Hi and Dashidilik to everyone. I'm Sonam here from Loving Tara. So today we are going to cover a very serious topic, that is of not coming Mr. Number 2. So yeah, it is very important to poop every morning. If it doesn't come for one day, it's fine. 2 days still fine, but if it's more than 2 days, then you have the issue of so-called constipation. So the factors, which leads to constipation are like lack of intake of water, excess of junk food, not having a proper sleep, and not doing enough exercise. And with modern life nowadays, the constipation is becoming more and more issue. So because we eat more junk food, of course, pizza, burger, you eat KFC, whatever, and then with stress, less sleep, and then exercise, of course, is getting less and less. So yeah, so here goes. I'll show you what you can do when you have this problem. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should do, I emphasize, the first thing you should do when you wake up is to prepare this big glass of lukewarm water. Yes, a big glass of lukewarm water with lemon and honey. So here I will show you. So to prepare the lukewarm water, either you can boil in a boiler. What I do is to keep a thermos. I boil the water in the evening, hot, and then keep it. And when I wake up, it's perfectly lukewarm. So you don't have to mix or. So which is perfect. So here goes. Yes, we have the honey. This is Patanjali Babaramdev honey. Yeah, I quite like it. You can use any homemade or any kind of honey. And the lemon. So pour the water. Some honey. And I recently moved here just before the lockdown from Delhi, so I don't have the lemon squeezer. So here goes manually. Yeah. And so here the lemon water is ready. Lucky. So keep the water here. And here what we have to do is, normally there are different kinds of asanas that you can do, the positions. But here I'll just teach you the simple one and only, the malasana. So what you do is, for that malasana, you sit in a square position, or you can say Indian toilet position. So you sit, and when you're like this, then you open the knees a little bit, because when you sit in this position, the solid which are in the colon, the large intestine, it gets pressurized, with the thighs, and then it kind of comes out. So here goes. What you do is, so you sit in this position, and then you drink the water. Lagi tayo sa yes, like this you drink, and your cup can be a little bigger also. Sit in this position as long as you need. With the help of this water plus position, it will really help you to get the toilet. So that's enough for the Malasana. But what I want to tell you is, many people, when you wake up, you just open the phone and then scroll down Facebook, WhatsApp, which is fine, but I would say rather just sit like this and then go down, you know, which is perfect, because this it's not just good for those who have problems, but for everybody in the morning. You know, the first thing you can do is this. Yeah. Thank you so much. And before yes, I want to tell you that two things very important to keep in your mind is, first, drink the water before brushing your teeth, because when we sleep we develop these good bacteria in the mouth, which are very good for your digestive system. So yeah, metabolism. And second thing is, when you go to the toilet, don't pressurize. Pressurizing is not good, then it leads to rectum or anus problems. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, watching me, and please share as much as possible, because at certain point everybody face this problem, and at the moment, especially in a lockdown, if you're locked down, it's fine, but if something else is also locked, then it's really a problem. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you again. Next time I'll be making a video on stress relieving, so please subscribe to get me on all the time. Yeah. So I'm in India and we are in lockdown. I don't know you. If you're locked down, it's fine, but if something else is also locked, then it's a problem. Patanjali Babaramdev cancel.